So one of the things that you can do in Microsoft Sway is to add in closed captioning in audio files. So over here, I'm going to add in an audio file first. So I'm just going to add in the title as TutorTube, and then I'm going to press this plus button to insert content right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Media, and then you can see audio is an option right here. So I'm just going to click on Insert Audio Card. So once I do that, over here, I can upload an audio of my choice that is a pre-existing audio, or I can record it out. For this particular example, I'm going to create everything from scratch. So I'm just going to record an audio right here. So I'm just going to record this out, and it says get ready. So let's get ready to get narrating. Hello, and welcome to this lesson on Microsoft Sway. So this is the audio that I have. So let's just hear it out to listen to hear how it sounds. Hello, and welcome to this lesson on Microsoft Sway. So this is the audio. So I want to accept this out. So I'm just going to click on Add to Sway. So once I click on Add to Sway, it gets uploaded, and depending on your internet speed, it might take some time. And you can see that now the audio has been uploaded. So if I were to go on to the design section, I can hear out my audio. So if I were to press play, it'll load out the audio and I'll be able to hear it out. Hello, and welcome to this lesson on Microsoft Sway. So what I want to do is add in a closed captioning to this. So that is, closed captioning simply means subtitles. And in order to do that, I'm going to go to Storyline, and I'm going to go to Details right here. So once I go to Details, you can see that as closed caption is an option. And if I were to click on this, a new window opens up. That is, my Explorer window opens up, where I have to upload a VTT, that is the extension for closed captioning. So I have to upload that format of file. So there are lots of options on the web to generate the VTT files automatically. But in this lesson right here, we're going to look at the manual way of making our VTT file, the closed captioning file that is. And for that, I'm going to open up Notepad right over here, because VTT is a plain Notepad file saved as .vtt file. So over here in the Notepad, what you have to do is start writing out the captions and mention the timing where you want them to appear. So I'm just going to go around and type in the format right here to let Sway understand that it is a VTT file. First of all, you have to type in web VTT. So that is what you have to type in the beginning of Notepad, which denotes that it is a VTT file. So then what you have to do is you have to mention the time on where you want the particular words to appear. So I'm just going to go around back onto Sway, onto the design, and then I'm going to hear out the audio again and see where I want to add in particular wordings. So here, let's hear out the audio. Hello. So before 1 second, all right? So not even when 1 second appears, I want it to say hello. Hello, and welcome. So till 2 seconds, all right? So from 1 second to 2 seconds, I want it to display hello. So I'm going to go to my Notepad right here, and I'm going to denote the timing. So I'm just going to type in 00. So the first 2 zeros denotes the hour, and then the 2 zeros denote the second, and then now it denotes the second. So from 00 second, that is right from the beginning. And I'm going to say dot, let's say for example 5, that is half a second, from half a second, because it does not start up immediately. So from half a second, just like this. So 0.500 seconds. So that's how precise you can be. From 0.500 seconds till, so I'm just going to add in double dash, and then I'm going to add in a greater sign, and I'm going to copy the exact same format, paste it right here. So now let's see till when I need to display that particular word hello. So I'm just going to go around over here and play this out again. Hello, and so till 2 seconds, I want it to display hello. So from 0 0.5 seconds to 2 seconds. So I'm just going to type in 2.0. So from 0.5 second to 2 second, what I want to display is hello and exclamation mark. So this is how simple it is. So you just denote the timing and then add in the word right over there. So now let us work out with the other wordings that we want to appear. So let's just play this out. Oh. And welcome to this lesson. And welcome to this lesson. So till 4 seconds, from 2 to 4 seconds. So I'm just going to copy this out because I want it to start from 2 seconds. And then if you want a bit of a pause, then what you can do is you can start it from 2.1 just like that. So it's not exactly side by side. So I'm just going to go around here. And let's say I want to display this till 4 seconds. I'm just going to go around and say till 4 seconds. I want it to say what? So let's hear that out again. And welcome to this lesson. And welcome to this lesson. So that's what I want it to say. So, and welcome to this lesson. And then what I want it to say is on Microsoft Sway. On Microsoft Sway. So I want it to say on Microsoft Sway till, let's say, 7 seconds. So let us give it a room. So I'm just going to go around, copy this out right here, and then I want it to be continuous this time. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then I want it to be there until 7 seconds right here. So 7 seconds on Microsoft Sway. So I'm just going to say on Microsoft Sway, just like this. So there you go. We have our VTT file ready. So I'm just going to save this out now. So I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to choose Save As. And then I'm going to go to my desktop right here. And over here in Save As type, I'm going to select all files. And in encoding, I'm going to make sure that it is UTF-8. So I can save it as a VTT file now. So I'm just going to say tutortube.vtt. You have to make sure that the extension is VTT for this. And I'm going to press save. So our VTT file has been saved and is ready to be imported in Microsoft Sway. So I'm just going to go into Storyline right here, and to add in the VTT, I'm just going to go around, go to Details, and then I'm going to click on Add Closed Caption. So once I click on Add Closed Caption, I'm just going to select the VTT file and open that out. And you can see that this is how it looks. So this is English VTT file, of course. English United States is the option that I'm going to go with. And then the closed captioning has been assigned over here onto the card. So now let us go to the preview by pressing on the play button. And now this is how it seems. And you can see that the format changed. So if I were to go over here and click on play, what happens is that it loads out the audio right here, and the closed caption is loaded out as well. And welcome to this lesson. But you don't see the closed caption. That is because we haven't enabled it in the player yet. And to enable it, you can simply go over here. And then here you can see that this is the closed captioning. As we chose English United States as an option, I can simply choose that out. And here you go. Here's the sway, just like that, as you can see. So if I were to press play, hello, and welcome to this lesson on Microsoft Sway. And as the narration goes on, you can see that the closed caption just displays out just like that. And that is how you can work around with closed caption just like that. So of course you can edit this out further as well. You can go back, you can go on to details and replace this out if you want as well. And that is how you can work with closed captionings inside of Microsoft Sway. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.